going on, guys? It is Scrappy here, and today we are back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing wood, nuts, bolts, and screws again, because I'm very persistent, and it took an L. I don't like taking L's. I don't like ending on an L. So yeah, we not gonna end on an L, okay? Tell you that right now. We're gonna win this one. Seriously? Seriously? Awesome, we got through that one. So, yeah, this is the difficulty spike. So, yeah, this was fun. No. Yeah. This was fun the first time, and I really think we can do this. So, we're gonna do this. So, yeah. That's the thing. And I think we need to restart again. God dang it. It's okay. We got this. Sort of. I sort of believe we got this. Did I screw that up? Bruh. No way. Really? This is like really... And got it. Okay. For screwing up the first one, maybe what are the chances we won't do that on this one? Okay, so give me that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. And okay, I have an idea. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Okay, now go there, 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 there. Go back, back. Yes, yes. Okay. Is it sliding? I think it's sliding. It is! Yes! Slide! You will go where I need you to go. Come on, slide, my boy. Slide, slide. Crap! I don't think it's gonna slide. We only have 1 minute and 45 left. Dang it! Okay. Try that again, because I'm pretty sure that'll work. Okay. GG, we did that one really fast. By the way, guys, if you like these little phone games that we be playing, hit that like button. You know, tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel. Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs? Duh. Okay. So we got that one taken care of completely. Awesome. Was not my intention, but hey, I will take it. I will take any kind of dub. Alright, so we'll go there. That one's gone. Okay. Take that. That, and that, and it's sliding. I see it sliding. I see it sliding. Keep on sliding there, boy. Come on, go. And yes, awesome. Okay, got that there. Awesome. Okay, doot. Oh, wait a minute. That's gonna drop. Oh, no, that's not good there, mate. Okay, so we'll drop that there. Yeah, just might run out of moves. Dang it! The stupid circle! Why does the circle hate me? Cool. Okay, so that one's done. Stupid circle. Okay, so that gives me an idea, though. Do. Oh, I should have done it the way I did it the first. Come on. Visible frustration. And boom. Go. Go down. Seriously? You're annoying. Okay. By the way, I would just like to point out this is level 4. Guys, this is only level 4. So, if you ever think about playing this game, you have got to have the highest of IQs ever. Otherwise, it will be a challenge and a half. Do 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 do. Awesome! Everything is awesome! Awesome. Oh, we might actually got this, yo. Yo, we might got this. Square, keep rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah! Okay, so we actually, I think we got this, y'all. I think we do. Just keep on going. And let that drop. The circle's in the way now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is this circle caught on? Dude. That was not the one I intended to move, but hey. There's the circle. Awesome! Okay, circle's gone. Okay, now that the circle's gone, let me see. Bum, 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 bow. I feel like I'm gonna regret this, and I don't want to. Yep. And it's not sliding. Dang it! Okay, but we're on to something, though. We are on to some freaking thing. So good, y'all. We got this. Get out the freaking way. Okay. See here, we got this. We got this! Okay. Either way, it's going to be the same on either side. So, get that going. Fall. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. You slide. Keep it going. Goodbye. Got rid of that. And that one. Okay, maybe that's the trick. I'm gonna try that. So ignore the circle. Boop. Okay. Let's see. So far it's working out pretty fine and dandy. Okay. Now, it's the lines that we gotta get. So let's figure out how to do that. I think we got this, though. Okay. Okay. No. Do. Okay, the circle's gone. Okay. Might have this. That's gonna fall that way, and that's gone. Okay. Okay, we got this, y'all. We just got the lines across the vertical or horizontal lines. Come on! Okay, so wait, the square works! Awesome! Okay. That opens up a lot. Okay. So let's see. Okay, go that way, go that way, go that way, and that way. Right? Come on. What? Time's up. Oh, come on! We ran out of time! No way! Claim. Claim. God dang it! We ran out of time. That sucks so bad, man. We literally freaking had it. Ah, come on. How did we run out of time? Okay. That's fine. 3 minutes to do all this. Oh my gosh. Gotta pay attention to the timer. Oh my gosh. I am persistent on beating this level. Because I feel like it's a challenge for my pride at this point. Okay, so that's gonna go there. That's gonna go there, 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 there. Dude. Okay, so that needs that and that and that. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, my bad. My bad. I was thinking the circle was gonna drop right now. Nope, but it is in the way. That's annoying. God dang it. Oh, gosh. Okay. So that's gone. And that's gone. Okay. Okay. Get rid of all of these. Alright. Boop. 2. Come on, come on, we got this! Bye! Okay, we got a minute left. Come on. We got this. Boop. 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 Crap. Dang it! No! Ah, GG. Dang it! It's okay, guys. I refuse to accept defeat. Ugh. God dang it. Give it one more try. One more try. It's basically trial and error at this point. You have to see what does not work and what does work and do what does work. And boom. Slide out of the way. I was waiting too long on that. That was on me. Okay, so I got that. Okay, so now got that one, Okay, put that and that. Okay. Okay, we got this, y'all. We got this. I believe in our power of stupidity. Awesome. Okay. Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Okay. Okay. We'll go there, 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 and there. Awesome. That square helped us out. Okay. Put that there. Okay. Now, thinking about... Okay. Perfect! Y'all, I think we got this. Yeah! GG! Come on. No! Did I screw it up? Keep going. You keep going. Okay. Dude. And dude. Awesome. No, I did not. I did screw it up on that one. But on this one, I did not. I'm going to put that there. That there. That there. That there. That there. That there. Keep going. There we go. Awesome. 6 seconds. No. No, are you kidding me? Oh, come on. I'm so annoyed. Okay, we will succeed on this one. That's just so annoying. Okay. Persistence is a thing, y'all. I'm gonna be real with you now. Persistence. Okay, difficulty spike. Alright. We got this. Use that. Use that. Gotta speed run this. And I did that wrong. God dang it. Ah, come on. I did it backwards. I hate my brain on that one. That was 100% me. Okay, we will win this, and then I think we're going to end off the episode there. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. Go. Slide. 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 Freaking slide. And what? Yeah. Come on. Go. Okay. Crap. No! What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Figure it out in a minute. Okay. Okay, okay. We got this. At one freaking level. Okay, not from the bottom. Start from the top. Work the way down. Come on. You go. And then I need that square gone. Come on, slide. Okay. Okay, we got this. No, I gotta be on point with my clicking. On freaking point. That's gone. Okay. Okay. Double. That there. That there. No, that there. That there. 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 Okay, well that's gone now. Okay, alright, we got this. And bye. Okay. Alright. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, got that. Okay. Doot, 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 doot. Okay. Dang it. Slide. I just need this one to slide, slide, slide. There we go. Okay. More open. Okay. Boop. Got it. Got it. Okay. Keep going. 30 seconds. Okay. Slide. Okay. Come on. Crap. Slide, 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 slide. Ah, come on. Go. Go. No! Ah, come on. Alrighty, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and end off the video there. If you liked the video and you're new to the channel, please hit that like and the subscribe button. Comment down below. Do you want to see a part 3? If you do, I will go ahead and do a part 3. If not, let me know. Until next time. Peace.